everyone, in today's video I'm going to share with you all just a quick preview of my outside kitchen. Now on Instagram couple weeks ago I shared when the truck was delivering this. My husband surprised me and he bought this for me. He's always supporting me, trying to encourage me and help me build my YouTube channel, so this was a gift to me. And this is around Mother's Day, I believe, so it was a Mother's Day present. I got it before Mother's Day, I think. So what we have in front of us is the Char Broil Medallion series. It's a modular kitchen. I'll go in and give you guys a closer look. The first section, that's our stove. Then we have a 5-burner infrared grill. There's a corner piece that attaches both this side to this side. We have that whole sectional there is a sink with a serving bar on the top, and then we have a cooler where you can store drinks or keep anything that you want to keep on ice, and then we have the refrigerator on this end. So now I'm going to give you guys a close-up look of this entire sectional. So the stove is a pretty big stove. What I like about it is that when you open it, it stays to the back of it like that. So it does act like a shield if there's any wind. So that's one good feature I like about it. So now let's check out the grill. So as I said, this is a 5-burner infrared grill. It has the ignition switch. There is a keep warm function and also a light for in the night. So this is a corner piece, but at the back of the corner piece we have additional storage, but that's only accessible through the back of the sectional. Here we have the sink. So with the sink you can connect it, so you will have running water, and you have a nice stainless steel sink that drains. And on the top here is our serving bar where our guests can sit and hang out and watch us while we cook. This is the cooler where you can store drinks, or you can store anything that you want to keep on ice if you're grilling. Here is the electrical outlet that is protected by this drop cover. This is for, I think it's very convenient, because if you're entertaining outside and you're doing drinks, or if you're cooking, you want to have a blender, and it's perfect. You can use it here, or you can even have a microwave outside if you like. And the last piece in this sectional is the refrigerator. So you can store your drinks and keep whatever you need to keep cool to have your guests entertained. This sectional also comes with 2 additional drawers for storage and a dustbin which is located right where the sink is, so that it's easy for you when you're preparing your meals or entertaining to have that in a strategic location. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick run through of this Medallion grill, this modular sectional by Char Broil. I will leave the link where I got it down below in the description box. It's available on Lowe's and also on charbroil.com. The best thing I like about this is that granite countertop and the convenience of having a sink while cooking. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Leave me your comments down below. I'd like to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.